Hi farmers, so welcome to the channel. Today I want to talk about the practicalities that are involved in dairy farming. So you see, this is the super Napier that we were planting, and it's amazing on the way it is growing so fast. Yeah, so there are different information online that have been given concerning the height and on how you should, on when you should cut your Napier grass. So others are telling you let it grow so big so that you can have more forage. Others are telling you that you cut it when the nutrient content is good for the cows. So for me, I would say that you cut it at the right time when the nutrient levels are very high. Remember, this is not like sugarcane. I saw someone on YouTube saying that you should let it grow like a sugarcane so that it can grow so big so that you can have so more forage. But for me, I have tried and tested before I have uploaded this video, and this is the right stage when you are cutting your Napier grass. This is super Napier that you are planting the other day, and you see how it is. Yeah, so you cut it when it is 2 to 3 meters at least, so that the nutrient content is very high. Yeah, and with the rising prices of concentrate, the dairy meal, the maize jam, porad, all those, you should integrate as much fodder, as much nutritive fodder as possible. Like you see, all these is super Napier. We have Cariadra there. If you have silage, you can integrate it. The maize, as you can see here, integrate as much forage types as possible so that you can eliminate that effect of concentrate prices shooting up like the way we are. Currently, we are buying a 70 kg of dairy meal at 3,300. And previously, we were buying it at 27. So it has already shoot. And as farmers, you may be discouraged or you may want to give up because of such things, but you have to make sure that you are a step ahead in everything that you do. Yeah, so plant as much fodder as you can, fodder with a higher protein content. Like we have the Cariadra, we have the super Napier, we have the desmodium, we have the super K vines. All those you should plant them, and you should integrate it. You should integrate them with other types of fodder. So these are the super Napier that we are planting. If you have not watched my other videos, you should watch. Yeah, I have so much now, not much because my cow will be eating. Yeah, you should, the practicality when it comes to dairy farming is plant and wait. Yeah, plant and wait. Look at these, all these are super Napier. Yeah, and for those who have watched my videos, all these area, you see all these area, we were having the ordinary Napier grass, but I uprooted all. Yeah, and I have planted these super Napier. Yeah, so I'm blessed because you have to keep on trying as a dairy farmer. Yeah, all these area is you see, all these is super Napier. Yeah, and with proper feeding, this will take me like a month or so. Yeah, a month or so. So guys, integrate as much quality and quality fodder that high nutritive. The protein content is very high. Yeah, don't just get involved in dairy farming because someone is doing it and you don't have fodder. So fodder is everything. Fodder is everything, and I keep reiterating this because some people are dairy farming is hard. No, it might be. It is hard, yes. Nothing is very simple, but with proper planning, you can be far much ahead. Yeah. So this is the progress of the super Napier. Yeah. I have so much, and This time I'm not going to be making silage because silage is good for the cows, the corn silage, but the the cost of making silage, the cost of buying the corn is very, very high. So that's why I opted for planting other fodder. And if you have a very small space of land, I would advise you plant uh, fodder like super Napier, because if you are planting maize, it will take you maize for silage needs someone with 30 acre and above, not 30 acres but 1 acre and above. You can plant and you can harvest it for silage. So this is my maize still, yeah, this is my maize. This side is for maize, but the other side is for Napier. But this is a small space because this is homestead, and this is the progress of my maize here. Yeah, and we planted guys with you. I showed you when I was planting, and I also intercropped with yellow beans, as you can see here, and I have weeded already, as you can see. The problem is we don't have rain currently, and I don't use any irrigation because where I am is far from rivers and from water source. Yeah, so you can integrate, you can use anything that you may want. Yeah, but make sure you have enough fodder to take your cows or farm for more than 6 months at least. Yeah, yeah, so that we can counter this problem of concentrate prices shooting up. The quality is very not good, so just innovate to be improvise on ways on how you can deal with such a problem, guys. Yeah, so plant the video is all about integrating fodder for your cows. So plant as much as you can. Don't give up as a dairy farmer. We keep on fighting. We keep, no matter what, you keep on fighting. The beauty about dairy farming is a lifetime project. It's not a one thing. It's not a one-time project. It is a lifetime. You keep on learning, and you learn more when you are doing it practically. You learn it more when you are doing it practically, other than going to YouTube and learning about dairy farming. When you do practically, you learn so many things that you even not even see on any online platform. So do as what you can, do research, but don't make sure that you don't have so much knowledge. So much knowledge will win your ambition of becoming a dairy farmer. So if you have a passion, just start wherever you are. Start with one cow. Start with the smallest thing that you have, and grow with time. Yeah, grow with time, because without passion, you will not make it in dairy farming. So guys, I just want to urge you that you may not give up. Keep on improvising, keep on learning from other dairy farmers, keep on visiting other farmers, and love your cows. Above all, love your cows, and you'll be a happy farmer. We say a happy cow makes a happy farmer. So don't give up, guys. Just keep on working. One day, one time, you live. You get the reward for what you have been doing. So guys, thank you for watching this far, and I'll try my best to keep on updating videos and showing you my journey in dairy farming, and I hope you learn one or two things that and I also will be encouraging you to do not give up. Have discipline. You don't need motivation to be a dairy farmer. You just need discipline. Discipline, don't give up, and you will make it in dairy farming. So thank you for watching. If this video matters to you, just subscribe. You can like, comment, share, and let's grow this channel to be a good channel. So thank you and have a wonderful time.